This 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Hathaway Edition 36 CK2 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri, 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 69 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.